Here is a beginner-friendly tutorial on how to do this flower nail art. So first step is to choose your base color. I went with white because it's the easiest color for designs to show up on. After choosing your base color, apply a thin layer which ensures your polish dries evenly and thoroughly. Then I go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds to ensure the base coat is set and ready. The tools you'll need for this nail art is a small dotting tool, a micro or extra small dotting tool, a thin line art brush, and the color which you want the design to be. As you can see, I went with black. To start the design, pick up a small amount of polish on the small dotting tool, create 3 dots, 2 side by side and 1 on top in the middle. I've added a small picture diagram so you can see up close what the dots should look like. Now repeat this step 4 more times, creating a star-like shape. It may help to have a picture of a hibiscus flower on your side so you can get a reference of what it should look like. For the second step, you're going to want to grab your line art tool and apply a little bit of polish to it. Then, from the 3 dots, drag the polish towards the center. It doesn't matter which 3 dots you start with because you're going to be doing this step to all of the dots. As you pull the lines towards the middle from all the dot clusters, you will see the petals start to form. I go ahead and cure this step as well for 60 seconds with my UV lamp. Now for this step, again with the line art tool, apply a little bit of polish and create a semi-curved line coming from the center out past the petals. Now you're going to want to grab your extra small tool or micro dotting tool and apply a little bit of polish on them. You don't want too much or the dots will become too large. For this step, you're going to want to create 2 dots on top of each other on either side of the line you just drew. This is creating the stem of the flower. Again, you're going to want to cure it for 60 seconds with the UV lamp. Now go in with your top coat of choice. I go with the shiny top coat and apply the coat in your desired thickness. I recommend doing a thin layer because same with the base layer, a thin layer ensures it dries quickly, evenly, and prevents chipping. Final step is to cure it again for 60 seconds, and then there you have it. Your nail art flower is finished.